Sundays in the South can be quite hectic, and sometimes you just need a simple dinner to serve. Today, let's make sloppy joes. Join me in the kitchen to see how quick, easy, and delicious they are. Like I mentioned before, Sundays in the South can be quite busy and time-consuming. Many people have to juggle various tasks and responsibilities such as attending church, doing household chores, running errands, and spending time with your family and your friends. As a result, finding the time to prepare a complicated meal can be challenging, and this is where simple and quick recipes like sloppy joes come in handy. This really is a simple and delicious meal. Start by adding 1 pound of ground beef to a skillet, then generously season it with salt and pepper. While the beef is browning, I stepped outside to the garden, which is just outside my kitchen door, and I pulled a fresh onion. I came back in, washed it, chopped it up a bit, and added part of it to my ground beef. Then I grabbed a bag of chopped bell peppers from the freezer, which I harvested in 2023. It is so nice to have this stuff in the freezer and at your fingertips anytime you want to cook a meal. I added a generous helping of the green peppers. Then once my meat and veggies were cooked, I added 1 small can of manwich sauce. This amount is enough for 2 people, and we have leftovers. Hubby will get this packed in a lunch tomorrow, the leftovers. But you can buy or find larger cans if you need to. Now, to balance the tartness of the tomatoes in the sauce, I added about 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now, get a toasted hamburger bun ready. Place the bread on a plate for an open-faced sandwich, which is my preference. And I like to sprinkle some cheese and some green onion tops on mine. But just as I was getting ready to take a bite or to eat, my phone rings. And it's my granddaughter, and she informs me that my crawfish traps need to be rebaited. So she's been out there in the ditches and in the woods pulling the little crawfish traps we have to see if we have caught any yet. So lunch will have to wait for a second. Well, I made it back. My trap had only 1 crawfish. Now, I hope that's because it just hasn't warmed up enough yet, but we'll keep trying. I made my plate and gave my sandwich a taste, and as known and as expected, it was hearty and delicious. I hope you try out this simple sloppy joe recipe. With just a few ingredients and a couple of quick, easy steps, you can whip up a delicious and satisfying meal for your family or friends. Serve it up with some fries or a side salad for a complete meal. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and it becomes a new favorite in your household. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later.